Hello friends, I am Shravana Lakshmi Pisupati and welcome to my channel Sparkling Future. So today we will see working with pivot in Spark. Before starting with today's topic, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel and also please like, share, comment and hit the bell icon for the latest video notifications. So this scenario, today we are going to discuss about this scenario, and this scenario is given by one of my friends, and thank you. I wanted to thank him. And see, they have a file like this. So for executive ID is the executive, for each executive one ID is given, and what is the sale date, and what is the model and brand, and what is the vehicle and the serial number. It is like this, how many sales this executive has done. So the serial number is how many vehicles he has sold on that particular day. So they want to transpose the data in this model, like for each executive ID and group by sale data for the particular date. He wanted to we have to showcase how many models he has sold, models, how many models, and what are the brands he has sold. So for this also they have a business logic. If a car is sold out, then get the model name of the car. For example, this is the vehicle is car, right? For if at all, if for this car, we have to get the model name. If it is a bike, get the brand name. So here if you see, for each like how many serial numbers, how many sales he has done, for all those the expected output is like he has to create model 1, model 2, model 3 and model 4. Here because we have 4, if more then he has to have more models and similarly more brands. And if it is a car, then print the model. If it is a brand bike, then print the brand name. For example, for car, Thor and Bolero, and for the brand Yamaha should be printed. So if a car is sold out, then get the model name of the car. If a bike is sold out, get the brand name of the bike, and then display the data like for each executive on a particular date, display how many models and brands are sold out. So let's look into the sample code to see how to achieve this requirement. So friends, this is the Scala object I have created and defined the main method, created the Spark variable. Okay, Spark session I have created with the Spark consent. So now let's read. This is the sales data.csv that we are going to deal with today. So this has the executive ID, sales date, model, brand, vehicle and serial number. We just saw in the PPT, right? The similar way. But it has three different executive IDs. Okay. So first read that file. Df equal to option. It has header. Sales data.csv. I am storing these files under the project, that's why I am directly giving it without any path. If you have it in your E drive or C drive, you just have to mention the entire path here. So I am just displaying it here. So if you see executive ID, sales date, model, brand, vehicle and serial number. So this is the data frame that we have. So out of this, now what we have to do is, first we have to append the names to get like this: model 1, model 2, model 3, model 4 and brand 1, brand 2, brand 3, brand 4. So we have to concatenate the model with like literal model with the serial number, how many sales he has done. Based on that we have to do, right? So for that what we will do is, we will just create a header, because that's a header, right, in the table. So I'll say val header equal to, so now we have to add like when condition. If it is a car, then model, and if it is a bike, then brand, right? So based on that requirement, now we will write when df dot this is the column name in the data frame. So if the vehicle equal to car. Then what we have to do is concat literal value model, comma, with what we have to concat is we have the serial number. Okay, okay, we have to import the functions. And also we have to have when df of vehicle equal to bike, then concat literal value of brand, comma, serial number with the serial number column. And we have otherwise we have bicycle also in the data. If you see here we have something bicycle. Okay, so if other than this, then we just have to concat with the brand. One second, otherwise okay. Now we have the header. So now let's take the columns. Like after the header we should this is the header. I am considering this is, for this I am keeping the name as header, and this is let's say content. Okay, what should be the content for that header? So what we have to do is again we have to write the clause, because here this is for the header, right? Now so for the content again we have to verify whether df of vehicle equal to car. Then what we have to do is we have to take the model. Okay, and if df of vehicle bike, then we have to consider the brand dot, otherwise we have to consider the I mean brand only I am considering. Okay, because they have never specified which one to consider. So now we have the header and this content. Now we have to if you see here it will consider as a column. See, column, and now we have the columns for which we just generated the what should be the column name and all. So now let's create a key value pair, key value data frame which will contain these both columns. So I'll say df dot with column header, and what is the column? I'll pass the header column. Here we have considered this header and constructed this, right, for that. And again for the content also I'll say with column content. So these two we just created the columns, and I'm adding that to the df. When I do df dot with column, it will add it to the this total data frame. So let's check. Actually this is not needed, just for your understanding I am printing it. Okay, so once it completes, so already the data frame has how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 columns. So to that it will add header and content. So how many? Model 1, model 2, brand 3, so whatever is the data is available, right? So for that it will create. Now what we have to do is next we have to define how many possible fields that should be created, because we have to transpose this, right? Because we have a pivot option in this one Spark, but for that we have to be like we can group it, but for having the different columns like this we don't have proper data set design, right? So for that we are we have to just create a field saying that we have to create a sequence and say that we wanted to have it in this particular sequence. So for that, let me create the fields, and I'll create a sequence and say model comma brand, and for this I'll say here for each model and brand I'm saying that for each x 1 to 4, because here we have 1 to 4 numbers. I'm taking this. If you don't want to hard code, instead of this you just take it as a count. Okay, you can take the count of that and you can have 1 to count here. You just have to use 2 int. Okay, I'm leaving that to you so that you can check and you can get back to me if you face any issues. Okay, so then for each 1 to 4 means here we have 1 to 4, right? 1 2 3 4, the serial numbers. So for each one I am saying that we have to add these two, model 1 to model 4, brand 1 to brand 4. So for that again I am saying that for each s value is I'll take t, because here again we have to do string concatenations, right? We'll just get confused. So here I'm telling that for this string, this is the string what to say, pattern creation, that s means the pattern creation. So here what I am saying that is for append x and t. Okay, this is the x which is the model and brand, and this is the y 1 to 4. So append those two. Okay, then what will happen is for it will create a sequence with model 1 to 4 and brand 1 to 4. Then finally now we have the column with all the column, these are the fields means all these, right? These all will become a sequence with all these column names, model 1 to model 4 and brand 1 to brand 4. Now we have the fields as well, and we have the key value data frame. Now finally let's use the pivot option in Spark. Okay, so I am saying that what is the result data frame, this is the data frame. Then for using the pivot we should provide the like it should have group by, and on which column we have to do pivot, and some aggregation function we have to define. This is the what is the syntax of the pivot usage in Spark. So we have to do group by based on 2 columns here as per the requirement, based on these two, right, for each executive and for on the given date. So I'll say df of executive ID and df of sales date. So now we have done the group by. Okay, now dot pivot, we have to give the pivot. So here we have to add all this based on, I mean pivot in the sense the transpose, we have to transpose based on these models, right? So that header I am giving it here, and for this I am passing the fields, because this is where we have all the 8 column names, model 1 to 4 and brand 1 to 4. I am saying that you create a pivot with these column names. Okay, I am telling that, and then we have to give the aggregate function, that is very mandatory here. So I am taking when you do aggregate it will give, 1 second. Okay, am I closing the group by here? Okay, so yeah, so when you do aggregation on this value here, which is the content here, multiple cases will come, right? Because for every line there will be one or the other case will be matching, and it will try all together, and there will be many. So I am taking take the first value, to take the first value from the content whichever is true, that is the meaning of that, and then finally I am saying that show. Okay, sale date only, right? Sale date, sale date. Okay, let me run and let it show the error. Okay, no. Okay, I understand. I haven't closed the brace there. Okay, so now let me run this, and this is what we should get as output now. Okay, there was a spelling mistake. So if you see here, right, for each executive ID and for each date based, we are grouping based on that, right? So it has created model 1 to 4 and brand 1 to 4, and for first two are cars, right? If it is a car, take the model. So for the cars it has taken the model, and for the bikes it has taken the brands. Okay, so um, let's check the others as well. So for this 102 executive ID, again he has two cars. So for the two cars, he has I mean it is updated as model 1 and model 2 here. And for this bike, this is bike and this is bike. For two bikes, this brand 3 and brand 4 are updated because these are from 3 and 4th serial numbers. And for 103 it is bicycle, and otherwise we have given to update the brand, right? So that TVC brand name is updated here. So friends, we finally prepared a code for transposing, I mean converting from this to this pivot model. Okay friends, hope this is clear to you. Hope this is useful in the any other pivot related situations to you. Thank you for watching the video friends. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting learnings. Thank you.